In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a TradingView watch list. If you're someone who constantly juggles different stocks, forex pairs, or cryptocurrencies, you probably know how critical a well-maintained watch list is. Whether you're tidying up your workspace or simply getting rid of lists you no longer need, it's useful to know how to remove a watch list when necessary. Let's dive into the process, making sure it's as smooth and straightforward as possible. First, make sure you've opened up TradingView. Once you're on the platform, direct your attention to the right-hand side of your screen. That's where you'll find the Watchlist panel. This panel is your go-to place for tracking all the financial instruments that interest you. When you're ready, click on the watchlist name displayed at the top of this panel. It might be labeled as something like My Watchlist or whatever custom name you've chosen. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu showcasing all the watch lists you currently have. Once the drop-down is visible, locate the specific watch list you intend to delete. Hover your mouse over this watch list, and you'll notice a trash bin icon appear alongside it. The trash icon is your cue that this list can be deleted. Go ahead and click on that trash bin icon. Alternatively, you can right-click the watchlist name and select Delete from the options that appear. This step is crucial as it prevents you from accidentally deleting a watch list you may still want. After selecting the Delete option, a prompt will appear on your screen asking you to confirm your decision. This is TradingView's way of ensuring you don't erase important information by mistake. If you're sure, go ahead and confirm the deletion. At this point, it's important to address a few key notes about TradingView watch lists. First and foremost, keep in mind that having multiple watch lists is a feature exclusive to TradingView's paid plans like Pro, Pro Plus, or Premium. If you're on a free plan, you're limited to just one watch list, which means you won't have the option to delete it. It's also worth noting that you cannot delete your default watch list unless you set a new one as the default. This ensures there's always a primary list that TradingView can refer to. And there we have it. By following these simple steps, you can efficiently manage the lists you use to stay on top of your investments or trading ventures. With a clean and relevant set of watch lists, you can keep your trading workspace organized and effective. Thanks for watching, and happy trading.